What did your partner X do that made you look at them differently? I had a pretty severe injury that I tried to downplay for years. Sometimes when my ex was asleep, I would sneak out and sleep on our cheap couch when I was as in pain because it was a bit more comfortable. One night I did this, and as I was making up the couch, she just walked in with the blanket from the bed and laid down on the short part of the sectional, so we were head to head and went to sleep without saying anything. That relationship ended up blowing up in my face, but for a few years we were really in love, and I hope everyone gets a chance to feel that kind of love.